Hello dear customizators, welcome to Workshop Overhaul, Part 2. In the last episode I was mostly working on the new doors for the workshop made out of glass panels, and if you want to check that out, click on the link in the top right corner. And in this episode I will continue to work on the interior of the workshop. One of the first things I need to do is move this water tube to the other side of the workshop. This is where my pressure washer will be and everything related to water. And this space was cleared for the new furniture. And here it is. This is how it will look. Well, not exactly like that, but you will see. And moving of the tubing is done. It was made of steel, so I just welded some tubing as an extension, and that was it. Now I need to paint the floor before I can put the new furniture in place. These pieces are mounted, and the mounting method for them are these kind of screws. I had to leave a space between wall and the panels because the gas tube is right here and I cannot move this tube. And now I can mount the top elements of this furniture set. And this side of the workshop is, I would say, almost complete. Everything looks nice. I painted the floor, so I can easily paint the rest when I finish this side of the garage, where I already removed all the shelves that were here, and now I have to fill all these holes. And yeah, moving on. So a lot of time has passed and I was constantly postponing the end of this video because I had a lot of projects in the meantime while making this redecoration of the workshop. So I didn't have time to finish it and then just make a final video of it being done, and I was doing it parallel to other projects that I was working on, and it's still not finished, but I think it's finished enough for me to show you what I have done till now. I have done this nice cabinet with my products right here displayed, and this is something I wanted to do, 3D printed handles for all the cabinets with my logo on it. So that's a nice thing to have. This is the table that I have to work on everything electrical and some testing. Up here I have electrical testing equipment. This is my milling machine that I do for prototyping, and on this table I can do various sorts of things. Nice tools up here, cabinets above. This is my drill press, this is my lathe right here, and here I have all the tools for the lathe in this nice old school cabinet, everything sorted really nice, the knives and everything lathe related, laptop for the music of course, amplifier, speakers, very important thing to have. This is where I have my electrical tools on the wall, nice cabinet up here. In this place I plan to do a table for this metal thing for the welding, so all the welders would be coming from here, they should be coming here. I also plan to close all of this so it looks a bit nicer, and then we have this nice new cabinets that I installed. Every cabinet is for one project I have, everything nice and sorted. This big cabinet is planned to house the Prusa 3D printers. I have two of them for now, and I plan to put them here and here. The spools could go up here or something like that. And I also plan to put some glass panels here so I can see the 3D printers, and of course it would be heated chamber so I have steady temperature while I'm printing. And I don't know, yeah, I have this cabinet right here that I customized with all the stickers from the Sim Racing Expo in Germany that I went to, and this is my pressure washer. And that's about it. I think I showed it all. Yeah, I hope you like this new workshop that I had done for myself. There will be a lot of projects done here and products review, like this handbrake I just bought. I plan to do a video about it. So stick around, like, subscribe, share of course, and stay customized.